ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಶಿರೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂಥ ಘಟನೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ SDRF, NDRF ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಗ್ನಿಶಾಮಕ ಇಲಾಖೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್, ಕಂದಾಯ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಸೇರಿ ಸತತವಾಗಿ ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದ ದಿನದಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಗುಡ್ಡ ಕುಸಿತ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಪಾಲು ನದಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಾಗ ಏನು ರಸ್ತೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಳೆದ 4-5 ದಿನಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆಯಿಂದ ರಸ್ತೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಂಥ ಕುಸಿದ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಬಹುತೇಕವಾಗಿ 98% ಅಷ್ಟು ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವುದು ಬಾಡಿ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ರಿಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ನಾವು ನೇವಿಯವರ ಸಹಕಾರ, SDRF, NDRF ಅವರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಚ್ಚಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ಬಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ನದಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುವಂಥ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಣ್ಣು ನದಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ. ನದಿಯ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ವತದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಸಿತ ಆದಂಥ ಮಣ್ಣು ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನೇವಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು NDRF, SDRF, ಆರ್ಮಿಯವರಿಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಸಲಹೆಯನ್ನು ಅವರಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಅಪರೂಪದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ರೆಡಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನೇವಿನವರು ಮತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ಆರ್ಮಿಯವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಏರಿಯಾನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಏನು ವರದಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದರ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದೇನೂ ಸಹ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಅದು ಜಿಯೋಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಸರ್ವೆ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕರೆಸಿದ್ವಿ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ. ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಕುಸಿಯುವಂಥ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ನಡುವೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ರಸ್ತೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ತೆರವು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಚರಣೆ ಬಹುತೇಕವಾಗಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನು ನೀರಿಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿರುವಂಥ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೇವಿಯವರು, ಆರ್ಮಿಯವರ ಸಲಹೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. From the moment the rescue and relief, rescue and recovery operations, it was a tough situation. Here report that it is an active landslide area. Further landslide can happen any time because of the incessant rains. So, despite the risk posed by the likelihood of further landslide, despite the danger to our personnel, the operation has gone on non-stop for the last 5 days. So with that operation, whatever was above the surface, we have cleared most of the mud that was accumulated there from the landslide. 98% of the mud is now cleared. In the meantime, we from the National Institute of Engineering Technology in Surathkal, we got some radar equipment which indicated that a truck may be stuck under the mud. From yesterday we investigated that area also. That area has been exhaustively investigated. We have found no truck in that area. Look, where the radar indicated, there we can say convincingly that where the point of indication was, there is no truck under that, right? There is some more mud on the road which is being cleared. I think it will be cleared by the end of, most of it will be cleared by the end of the day. Some we cannot clear because if you clear the edge of the slope, then Geological Survey of India has warned that if you clear closer to the previous landslide spot, again landslide may happen. So some of it buffer has to be maintained, but that area is also being probed to make sure that there is no truck under there. So that probing is going on. Perhaps in the next 2-3 hours we can give a conclusive answer, but going by experience we can say that it appears there is no truck above the road. It appears. we will subject to confirmation in another 2-3 hours. So whatever technical experts have advised us, we have gone taken every one of those steps. Army, it was suggested that army should be called in, though there is navy already on site from day one. So we invited the army. Army has come today. We have requested the army to scan the whole area, advise us what further steps can be taken, and if we have also requested army, they may have some specialized equipment, to get those specialized equipment from wherever their nearest base is to here. So and now we are looking at the water side also. We have requested the Navy, NDRF, SDRF to look into the water. Now there are enormous piles of mud in the water, in the river. It is a small mountain under the river. Only the tip is visible above the water. So we have requested Navy and Army both to advise us on that course. Yes, we will go, because I am a general administrator. I am not an expert in every subject. We will defer to the expert advice given by the competent authorities. At the moment, Navy and Army are on site. All I can say, look, my officers have not certified yet. Maybe they will need another 2-3 hours. But as a general practitioner and out of my experience, I can say it is almost unlikely that the truck is there above the surface. I will stand corrected if it is otherwise, but from the site, I have been at the site from yesterday. Yesterday I was still hopeful. Late night I was still hopeful. But today, since further mud has been cleared and there are very small area left to be covered, and we have looked at the height of the truck vertically or horizontally, and keeping in mind the height and width of the truck, the area has been probed. So it appears that unlikely. Look, I want to just be informed that whoever is affected, from whichever part of India they are our people, right? I am not, the locals are important, as also people from anywhere are equally important. Nobody is more important, nobody is less important. So from the day incident happened, our district minister is on the job, our entire district administration is on the job, our local MLA is on the job, and we continue. From yesterday I've been also here, today Chief Minister has come. So our government is doing everything possible in the matter, and we continue to do. Still, 2 local people are also missing. There is a way to verify that, but as per post verification, we can say for sure 2 local people are still missing. Maybe if there is a third one, the police will look into that. Any missing person, there is a procedure in the police department. We will follow the procedure. So 2 locals are also still missing. Mind you, it's not just one person from across the border. Wherever he may be, he is also our person. 2 locals are also missing. So from that angle, please understand that there is no respite, and we are putting in all our effort, and our concern is also there. We understand the pain a family will go through. We understand their anxiety out of the loss. Some things may be said, but we understand. But as a responsible government, all our efforts are being invested here. No, night, strictly the geological survey has advised, night you cannot do the operation there, because the lands, it is raining non-stop. intermittently it is raining. So in the night you can't even make out if there is a landslide happening. So geological survey has advised, and even common sense wise, operations in night is not advisable. But anyway, where the night operation could have been done, which is above the surface, is now 99% is clear.